enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Please note the ingredients needed to make cream paneer or Malai Paneer. List is also given in description below. First of all, heat 1 tablespoon of clarified butter in a pan. The heat is medium. Add in finely chopped onion, few bay leaves, green cardamom which should be open and put in, green chilies and mace. Stir fry this on medium heat for about a minute. Then cover and let it cook on medium low heat this time for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, soak cashews in warm water and saffron strands in 3 teaspoons of warm milk. Keep aside. Let these rest while the onion cooks. After 5 minutes, let's check. The onion and other whole spices look cooked, but they are not golden. They are slightly pinkish. So our idea is to soften the onion and not to make them char or golden in color. Turn off the heat and let these cool down. After about 10-15 minutes, the onions are cooled down like this, and they were covered while they were cooling down. Now put them in a mixie jar along with the soaked in cashews. About 3-4 teaspoons of water and make a fine smooth paste of these onion and cashews. And see, paste is ready. Now in the same pan in which we fried onion, add some more clarified butter. On medium low heat, add in this paste in the hot clarified butter. Cook this onion cashew paste on medium low heat. Rinse the blender jar with a little bit of water. Mix. Add in salt to your taste and very little sugar to enhance the flavor of the spices. Also add in black pepper powder. 1 cup of milk. Mix and cook everything on medium-low heat until it starts to bubble. When this gravy bubbles, add in paneer cubes. Mix well and on medium-low heat only, let this simmer and cook covered for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, let's check. Our gravy looks like this. Finally, grate a little nutmeg on the top. The fresh nutmeg gives it a very nice aroma and flavor. Mix. Serve it. Before serving, do not forget to garnish this with saffron that was soaked in milk. Just few drops of saffron milk. Let the strands also go over. So this mild, delicious, creamy paneer gravy is ready to be relished. Enjoy it with roti or paratha. Even goes well with zeera rice or peas pulao. So this easy peasy recipe is for any day, anytime. Thanks for watching.